This is one of the things that I really enjoy about Thailand. I was just driving by on this road and I saw this guy cutting up sugar cane. So, hey, take a moment, stop, talk to him, and I bought some sugarcane juice, which is really delicious.
With over 25 years experience building businesses in America, I have decided to challenge myself by attempting to open a new company in Thailand. Join me as I create the company, lease office space, hire employees, and improve my own standard of living. All while I learn to speak a new language, discover new foods, and learn about the culture. This is the biggest challenge of my life.
So I'm back in my condo now. I'm going to try some of this sugarcane juice. And you might think I'm crazy for drinking this, but apparently, if you do your research on the internet, there are some people that believe there are a lot of nutritious benefits to drinking sugarcane juice. And it does not taste anything like when you take water and put white sugar into it and mix it up. It's not like that at all. It has a much deeper flavor to it, and it's actually not as sweet as you would think it is. But anyway, back to me and my neglect of YouTube. I'm a bad YouTuber. It's been almost a year since I posted my last video. There's many reasons for that. So the good news is I never stopped the cameras from rolling over the entire year. So here I'm going to show you just some clips, some of the crazy stuff I've been doing for the past year as I tell you a little bit about the story. When I stopped posting videos, my company was doing really well and taking off, and we doubled our customer base in just a few months. And so we got really busy with gearing up, and that was right at the time when I was training a new team in Thailand. So it was just really, really busy, and I just didn't have time to upload the videos. But also, I got so overwhelmed with trying to explain all the cool stuff that I'd been doing. I just didn't know what kind of format to put to the videos. But I now have an idea of what I want to do, and I think it's going to be really fun and exciting. So now you're seeing some clips of some of the videos that are going to be released over the next few months, so you can see what I've been doing. Things really started to take off for me once I got out of the condo and started meeting people. I spent the first 6 months just setting up my company, training my staff, renting the office, getting things really set, because my business comes first. I got to take care of that, take care of my customers. But there came a point after I got all the business squared away, I started looking for business groups that I could go visit and join. And for the first 6 months, I didn't meet any foreigners. Everyone I was talking to was a Thailand native. Everyone I spoke to was Thai. So I had to really learn how to speak Thai. And I got pretty good at it, conversationally, and being able to order food and things like that and ask where things are. I went and visited a business networking group. And that really introduced me to a number of Thai people who spoke really good English, but also a number of people from other countries, Germany, Sweden, Italy, France. And they were all business owners. So we got to talk about something I'm passionate about. So then I started getting invited to go other places and do things. And I learned that badminton is a really big thing in Thailand. So I've been playing badminton every week, getting my exercise. I've been going to the gym, going and getting 2 massages a week. Massages cost $15 for an hour, so it's really affordable. Eating a lot of really good food. There's so much fruit here all year round. It's delicious. It's awesome. It's wonderful. But some of these friends that I met took me to a city far away called Chiang Rai. And in Chiang Rai, we went for the purpose of giving donations to children in schools. And these children are going to these schools way up in the mountains, way far away. So we went out and visited them, and that was an awesome, amazing experience. So there's a video coming out about that. So when I started making friends, they started, driving me around, showing me the restaurants, showing me different places, showing me where to buy food, teaching me more Thai so I could speak more Thai. And I really got to say, I am so comfortable here. And the thought of going back to America is something I try not to think about. I don't plan on it. I don't see any reason I will need to. But my life is so much more peaceful here. And I'm really enjoying the people. and their work ethic and their friendliness. And I just don't want to go back to America. I have no idea what's going on in America. I'm not hearing about politics. I don't know about the economy, which has actually caused some problems for my stock market trading that I enjoy doing, because by keeping up with the news, I was able to kind of predict what was going to happen. But I haven't even been focusing on stocks lately. I haven't been focusing on a whole lot, actually. I've been so relaxed and just, hey, why not enjoy life for a little while? Something else I've enjoyed is going out into the beautiful scenery and spending time with animals. I have had so many interactions with animals. And here in Thailand, you actually can touch them and feed them and interact with them and not just look at them from behind a piece of glass. So that's really interesting. And then I went to the Philippines, and I was there for a month, and I got to do all kinds of cool stuff there. So more videos coming with that. I also have quite a few business owner friends here in Thailand. So I'm going to be doing some interviews, and you're going to be seeing how business is done in Thailand and how hard people work out here. And I think it'll be pretty interesting. So I hope that you'll stick around. I hope that you'll enjoy these videos. Please give me some comments. Let me know what you'd like to learn more about. Not bad. As I've been kind of taking it easy, I've also been doing a lot of coaching on Zoom with my American clients. And there are a lot of videos coming up with tips and tricks and things that you can learn about running a business and managing your employees and getting everything set so that you can live a life like this. Maybe your dream isn't to move to another country, but to have the freedom to do what you want to do, I think really is the goal. And that is the function of what a business can do for you if it's run properly. So definitely stick around for those videos so that you can learn some tips and tricks of why and how I'm able to do this. I've been here a year now. Many people thought I wouldn't last, but I'm still here and I'm thriving, and I have no intention of leaving. So I hope that these videos can be educational and helpful to you, and still a little bit entertaining, and you can learn a little bit about other places in the world. So I hope that gives you an update. I hope you're not too upset with me for not uploading videos, but there will be more coming now. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button and drop me a like, and give me a comment. Let me know what you'd like to hear more about as time goes on, and I'll be happy to get back to you. Your goal should be to have the freedom to do what you want to do. And the vehicle that's going to get you there is having your own small business. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can be notified the next time I drop a video to help you do exactly that, how to start and manage your own small business.